In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the entire process step by step to ensure that you can easily incorporate QR codes into your invoices, making them digitally interactive and easily accessible. Now, let's begin by diving into the first part of our setup. To get started, log into your Zoho Books account and navigate over to the Settings menu. Once you're there, locate and click on Invoices. This is where we'll be enabling the QR code feature. Once you've found yourself on the Invoices page, make sure you're in the General tab. You'll notice an option to toggle the Invoice QR code feature. Simply switch it to Enabled. This action sets the foundation for generating QR codes for your invoices. Now you have a choice to make. What kind of QR code would you like to use? Zoho Books offers you two options. Firstly, you can go with an invoice URL. Selecting this option means your QR code will link directly to the online version of the invoice. Alternatively, you can opt for a custom QR code. This allows you to input a personal URL or a custom message up to 250 characters, providing you with flexibility in how you want to use the QR code. Alongside your choice, be sure to provide a description for your QR code. This might seem trivial, but it's important to clearly define what your QR code will represent for easier management and understanding in the future. Now that we've enabled and configured the QR code, it's time to add it to your invoice template. For this next step, return to the Settings menu and choose the PDF Templates option. You'll then select Invoices. Find the template you want the QR code to appear on and click the Edit button next to it. Scroll down to locate the Other Details section. Here, you'll see an option to show Invoice QR code. Check this box to ensure the QR code appears on your invoice template. Don't forget to click Save once you're done to confirm these changes. At this point, it's time to check our work and verify that the QR code is displaying correctly. Create a new invoice or open one that you've already created. From here, you have the option to click on Preview PDF. This will generate a view of your invoice as a PDF, allowing you to confirm that the QR code appears just as you intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a QR code to your invoices in Zoho Books. This not only offers a modern touch, but also enhances the accessibility and interactivity of your invoices. Feel free to pause, rewind, or replay any part of this video if you need more clarity. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.